Mas mau nanya tempat wudhunya di mana Mas ya? Kayak musola. Assalamualaikum guys, jumpa lagi dengan gue Satria. Hari ini gue sama teman-teman kelas mau ada field trip ke Cheongdeokgung Palace. Cheongdeokgung Palace ini istana kerajaan semenjak dinasti Joseon Dynasty. Terus sama teman-teman kelas janjian di sini. Ntar kita pergi ke meeting point-nya di Hangguk Station. Naik bis, habis itu naik subway. Bosan nggak? Ini ada teman-teman gue. Ini ada Sami from Laos, Femina, and Sai from Philippines. Oke.
So your siren is it siren? Yes, sirens. Camina and Ryan. Yeah. And Rami.
Oke guys, kita ini udah ketemu sama teman-teman kelas di meeting point di exit 3. Teman-teman dari berbagai negara, ada yang dari Afrika, ada yang dari India, ada yang dari Pakistan, macam-macam. Dan ada yang dari Indonesia juga, banyak juga dari Indonesia, sekitar 7-8 orang. Keluar dari stasiun Hangguk, exit 3, kita menuju ke Cheongdeokgung Palace. Nah ini guys, kita ada di depan Cheongdeokgung Palace. Ini ada Mas Redo nih, Mas Redo dari Indonesia juga ini. Andrew, wah, Andrew from Tanzania.
Wow.
Tuh ada yang pakai hanbok. Ini adalah gerbang utama Don Hwamun, digunakan sebagai pintu masuk untuk raja. Kita kumpul dulu di depan gerbang.
Kinda. She will come late, right? Later, okay? So say, Redo. Satria.
Nek,
Satria. Sami. Sirens.
karena ini hari libur, hari Sabtu, weekend, lumayan rame yang mengunjunginya. Oke, kita masuk. Cheongdeokgung Palace. Ada Inggris, ada Chinese, dan ada bahasa Indonesia juga. Cheongdeokgung. Ini dari Indonesia juga nih.
Selamatkan saya.
Minta di tag gini.
Sini lihat dong. Nanti kita
biar terkenal.
Iya. Dia malu-malu guys.
Saya
tuh.
takut, saya takut sama netizen.
Takut sama netizen. Netizen saya baik-baik kok.
No, I don't believe it.
Subscriber saya baik-baik kok. Dari jembatan Geumcheongyo, langsung aja kita masuk menuju ke Injongmun Gate. Gate ini adalah akses pintu masuk ke area Injongjeon, yaitu tempat raja dan para pejabatnya berkumpul untuk mengadakan konferensi. With our Gyusunim from Tanzania, Andrew Gyusunim.
Anio. That's the highest post.
What?
You can't give me that such a highest academic post. You are the real Yusunim.
No. Nah, ini dia main buildingnya nih. Setiap istana memiliki aula utama, Dan ini adalah area utama Istana Changdeokgung, yaitu Aula Injongjeon. Nama Injong berarti pemerintahan yang baik hati. Di aula ini acara-acara penting diadakan, seperti kenaikan takhta raja, pertemuan rakyat, dan perjamuan kerajaan. Kita nggak boleh kesini guys, ini dilarang. Kayak ini tuh kayak wilayah raja gitu guys. Nggak boleh masuk ke sini di pagar itu. Kerajaan sama dayang-dayangnya. Oh, ini ininya penjaganya.
Penjaganya.
What do you have? You have any problem?
YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Yeah.
This is my Samsung name. Professor John Hyun. Yes. Selanjutnya kita menuju ke Sonjong Hall dan Huijongdang Hall. Hall-hall ini merupakan kantor raja tempat ia menghabiskan sebagian besar waktu mereka untuk melakukan pekerjaan sehari-hari, diantaranya pertemuan pagi, laporan kerja, dan diskusi akademis diadakan di sini. Next, kita berjalan ke Daejeon Hall. Nama Daejeon dari Daejeon berarti untuk mencapai prestasi besar. Hall ini dulunya merupakan tempat tidur resmi istana, dan hall ini juga menjadi kediaman ratu, yang terletak tepat di belakang kediaman raja, yang berada di tengah istana. Balai Daejeon beberapa kali terbakar sejak istana ini didirikan dan dibangun kembali. Balai Daejeon memiliki interior bergaya barat dan jendela kaca. Samsung name, you're sweating.
Yeah, it's really hot.
It's very hot for you?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Even if we wear
Three layers.
jumper,
Yeah, three layers.
common in
I'm wearing 3 layers.
Yes. Sweating?
That's like the oldest.
What?
That's a clock.
Clock. Prof, tolong jelasin Prof, ini apa Prof?
ini adalah jam
Mhm.
jam yang memanfaatkan sinar matahari untuk menentukan waktu.
Oh gitu, jadi sebelum ditemukan
Ya,
jam modern pakai ini ya Prof ya?
ya, jadi mereka menemukan ada perbedaan waktu antara Cina, Korea, dan Jepang dari posisi matahari terhadap ini benda ini.
Terus kita tahu dong kapan waktunya zuhur, asar.
Iya, di Indonesia kita punya kayak gini untuk
Oke.
menentukan waktu sholat zuhur, asar, maghrib, dan sholat 5 waktu lainnya.
Untuk melihatnya pakai
Ya, tapi beda
matahari ya.
beda bentuk ya, posisi
Oke.
bayangan dari matahari.
The T,
This P means the big,
big,
and
big.
the next one Cho.
Cho.
It has like 23 meanings.
23
But
meanings?
it has like 23 meanings, but I believe that it will use this 12th one, which means lucky,
Lucky.
or with fortune.
So big, lucky, and the
big
last
luck. And the
Big
next
luck?
one is like it's the building.
building.
It's the
also.
building with
It
the
means
big
like
luck. or
big luck building.
Big fortune.
Oh,
Okay.
I see. Kalau ini namanya Naksongche guys. Naksongche ini kayak bangunan yang diperuntukkan untuk ratu-ratu, tempat tinggal ratu kerajaan. Balai Naksongche ini dibangun oleh Raja Honjong pada tahun 1847. Nama Nakson berarti menikmati kebaikan. Selain sebagai tempat tinggal ratu kerajaan dan permaisuri, Naksongche juga merupakan ruang belajar dan ruang penerimaan bagi Raja Honjong. Oke guys, next kita mau ke Secret Garden. Secret Garden ini kayak tempat peristirahatannya keluarga kerajaan. Nah ini terbatas banget sebenarnya sih Secret Garden ini. Kita reservasi dulu. Tapi alhamdulillahnya Song Sengnim-nya teacher gue udah reservasi, jadi kita bisa masuk ke Secret Garden.
Sell like 20 or 30 tickets for the
Oh.
entrance of that day.
It's very limited.
Yeah, very limited. So we really should book online.
That's why, because you are local people, so you know how to register and get the ticket.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sensei.
Foreigners really don't know about
Yes,
this.
that's true.
This palace. So the ticketing is quite easy for foreigners.
Mm,
This
that's-
guide is in English, but
Yes.
in sometimes like in 3 p.m. the guided tour will be on Korean, and this ticketing is really hard and difficult. I also think you that I can join here. If I want to visit in Korean guided tour, no, I cannot.
Why?
This ticketing is really hard.
Oh, I
Yes,
see.
foreigners,
Oh, especially.
it's possible, but
Okay.
for Koreans, no.
Oke guys, kita menuju ke Secret Garden. Nah, Secret Garden ini yang tadi gua udah bilang, nggak semua orang bisa masuk ke sini. This is Secret Garden.
So this is really beautiful when you
Ah.
visit here on winter or autumn.
Winter.
In winter, all the snowy things, and on the autumn, all the maples.
So, Sensei, you said that this place usually the location of K-drama.
Yeah, and K-movies. A lot of
K-movies.
K-dramas and K-movies.
Okay. Can you mention what kind of K-drama? Maybe just.
I can't remember anything, but maybe I think I should find something.
Nah ini guys, Secret Garden biasanya ini dipakai buat syuting film K-drama.
Let me briefly explain about the pond first. The pond you can see based on cosmos, sky, and square Earth. You can see the pond has been formed. Together explains the harmony of the universe, and the center of them who ruled them all was the kings of Joseon Dynasty. The kings of Joseon Dynasty was considered as a heavenly mandated being who promised prosperity to the people on earth. To do so, the kings had to study very hard based on Confucianism to symbolically and practically show you so. In the northern side in front of you placed a two-story building. First floor was used as a royal archive and a library which kept more than an average of 30,000 books of collections to be stored, and on the second floor was a reading space for the king. This place was built for the 22nd king, King Jeongjo, who I will be mentioning his posthumous titles many times. The posthumous title of the King Jeongjo not only built that building, but staffed that building with the best and the brightest minds in his time, regardless of social class. With that, until this day, he is to be remembered as a Renaissance leader who brought the cultural golden age in his time. And that very king did not mean he studied studied and worked so hard, he also enjoyed the beautiful scenery around him. If you look to left to right, you can see many trees and plants to be adorned with beautiful leaves, especially with flowers in spring and summer, in autumns with beautiful colorful leaves, and winter when this place is enveloped with snow, then the buildings outstood and provide a scenic view. Especially onto your left side, you can see a very unique, unconventional pavilion, because usual conventional pavilions are either square or rectangular or hexagonal shape, but onto your left side, you can see from the top, it has a cross-shaped roof and a very unique feature. That very building was where the 22nd King Zhangjiu came and casted fishing rod into the pond and enjoyed fishing. There was where hundreds and thousands of Confucian scholars
Mas mau nanya tempat wudhunya di mana Mas ya? Kayak musola.
studied because they were taking the state
Iya. Gak apa-apa. Gak apa-apa lah sekali-sekali.
That's Professor Cuson informed me. No, this is the whole life. Living forever. Forever and single because you
Secret Garden di Istana Changdeokgung terdapat area kolam dan aliran sungai. Taman ini dibuat saat istana didirikan pada masa pemerintahan Raja Taejong yang berkuasa tahun 1400 sampai dengan 1418.
marking one of the oldest remaining pavilions in the Walding ground. This building, you can see, has a very conventional shape of a hexagon layered, and under there are double layered columns to be placed inside. The outer column is much thinner than the inner column, providing you a stable look as well. For the people in close windows or children along the side, here the stage in front of the building area. The reason why there is a stage is because of the moonlight tour of Changdeokgung Palace. Sadly, all the tickets are now sold out in all languages of Korean, Japanese, English, and Chinese. But in the time of the
Secret Garden mempertahankan landscape alam pegunungan dengan pavilion-pavilion indah yang berdiri di atas lembah. Selain untuk bersantai dan berjalan-jalan, taman ini juga digunakan untuk berbagai kegiatan seperti menulis puisi, mendiskusikan masalah ilmiah, memancing, berperahu, latihan militer, dan bahkan menyalakan kembang api. Hati-hati guys, kita harus nunduk. Sekarang kita menuju pintu keluar dari area Secret Garden. Adem lah, banyak pohon.
You need to climb it. You need.
Probably I didn't come this
this area
Yeah.
when I was in.
So Suwon is not expensive as Seoul, right?
Yes.
From the shrine to the Busan, which is on the southern area of the peninsula. There, they were stored safely in a warehouse.
Yes.
Sadly, there were see those portraits. We would like to recommend you to go to the National Palace Museum of Korea next to Gyeongbokgung Palace, which is free admission, of course, and you can see the portraits left of the remaining kings of Joseon Dynasty. Now, sadly, we cannot use that very path because it is a restricted area.
Kita udah mau keluar dari Secret Garden guys, jadi udah nggak bisa masuk lagi. Nih gate keluarnya nih. Itu batasnya nih, Secret Garden. Ini batasnya nih. Nggak ada airnya kalinya guys.
Here, this tree is far, far older than the tree. And in Korea, so it's 518 up and 880 down.
What kind of trees?
Since most of you have
looks
arrived,
like a
let me
pine tree,
briefly
isn't it?
explain about this tree. This tree is a juniper tree. Approximate age of a tree is 750 to 760 years old. We do not
750
out from
tahun
the incense
umurnya.
burner due to the juniper
Minimal,
tree
yeah.
branches. It was to be believed
Dia
it will
masih hidup gitu
purify
ya?
the minds and bodies of the right
So this
givers
tree
during the ritual
see the
ceremonies.
fire,
And also this
see the
smoke
things that-
will reach to the sky and become a communicator.
Wah, di sini kita bisa lihat Namsan Tower nih guys. Namsan Tower. Kelihatan nggak? Kelihatan lah ya.
We will send you a picture in detail. Yeah.
Kamsahamnida Sangsangnim. Sangsangnim, thank you very much for arranging this field trip. And can you say hello to my YouTube viewers?
Hello, YouTube viewers. This is a friend of. This is your friend. This is friend of Satria. Hope you have a nice trip here too. Goodbye.
Okay, bye. Thank you Sangsangnim. Oke guys, jadi kita udah selesai field trip ke Cheongdokgu Palace. Sekian guys, thank you for watching. Sampai jumpa di vlog selanjutnya. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye guys, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.